I've never heard anyone talk about this in trading, and it's probably one of the biggest things that can influence your trading performance, and it has nothing to do with the charts or your trade management or your trading strategies. In fact, it has nothing to do with trading at all. It is the external influences, the external pressures that are in your life that are affecting your profits. For example, maybe you get into a fight with your spouse or your partner, and that relationship in your life isn't as strong as you want it to be. That's going to impact your psychology. That's going to impact your mindset. And as a result, it's going to impact your trading. Maybe there's conflict in your life with a friend. That's going to impact your trading too. Or maybe you're comparing yourself to other traders on social media who appear to be doing way better than you. Then you end up over risking or over trading because you're comparing yourself. And remember, comparison is the thief of joy. Or maybe you have a lot of financial pressures in your life where you need to pay bills or you need to pay someone back or you're in debt. That's also going to impact your trading. Sometimes your technicals could be on point. You have an edge, you have the right system and strategies, but your psychology is messed up because of external circumstances. So instead of focusing on the technicals and on the trading side, focus on the other parts of your life so you could be much more calm, so you could have peace of mind, so you're not always in chaos. And that's going to be such a positive thing for your trading.